Welcome to the most effective and evergreen cybersecurity mastery HD video training course. We are very pleased to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. If you want to improve the effectiveness of your cybersecurity efforts and be prepared for the evolving threats and cybercrimes, then you are at the right place. This video course is designed to give you soup to nuts guidance on how to guard against evolving cyber threats, data breaches, and hacking, and protect your systems and data. We'll teach you everything that will help you to improve and update your cybersecurity systems. The global research and advisory firm Gartner Incorporated forecasts that the worldwide cybersecurity market will reach $170.4 billion by 2022. Corporate leaders are increasingly elevating the importance of cybersecurity to their companies. The amount of business lost because of cyber attacks averaged $1.52 million. Further, it is estimated that the cost of cybercrime will reach $6 trillion worldwide, and ransomware damages will rise to $20 billion. In the light of recent high-profile attacks and looking at the year ahead, it is critical to continue elevating cybersecurity as a strategic business issue and develop a robust plan to tackle it. So, let's get started. Video number 1, Cybersecurity Mastery HD Video Training. Video number 2, Cybersecurity, Everything You Need to Know. Video number 3, Types of Cyber Attack. Video number 4, What is Hacking and How to Prevent It. Video number 5, Types of Hackers. Video number 6, Types of Malwares and How to Recognize Them. Video number 7, How to Detect and Protect Your Business from Malware Attack. Video number 8, How to Identify, Prevent, and Recover from Cryptojacking. Video number 9, What is Phishing and Tips to Protect from a Phishing Attack. Video number 10, How to Guard Yourself from Visiting Unsafe Websites. Video number 11, Reduce the Risk of Cyber Attacks. Top Cybersecurity Practices to Prevent a Breach. Video number 12, Latest Cybersecurity Tools You Should Know. Video number 13, Skills Needed for Cybersecurity Expert. Video number 14, Tips to create an ideal cybersecurity budget in COVID era. Video number 15, How should companies adapt their new security strategy post-pandemic? By following the strategies covered in our course, you will ensure foolproof protection and create a culture of safety and cybersecurity excellence in your organization. We've covered everything you need to gear up your cybersecurity efforts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.